So we've been using the tours for both our rental properties as well as our sale properties, with a lot of people finding that they can get a good feel for the property prior to coming through and having a look. So with a tenancy point of view, we are getting a lot of the time tenants from out of state or out of town who are looking at the virtual tour and being comfortable enough to apply for the property to lease at that stage, which means the applications come in a lot quicker and therefore we can lease the properties faster with a lower time on market. With the rental properties, we also use it for our ingoing inspection reports, which gives us good functionality, but we found that the transparency that gives us for a property is just unparalleled. We can give the tenants an absolute snapshot of the property when they're moving in, and then at the time they're vacating the property, we recreate that tour and give them back a virtual tour of the property as it was the day they moved in. So it has cut down a lot of that argument where tenants saying that the property wasn't in that condition when they moved in. It really takes that whole argument off the table and enables us to have a really transparent, both with the landlords as well as the tenants, a situation when they're moving out, and we can truly get the property back to the original condition.